Hello, everyone. Today we'll show you how to create Huawei Cloud IoT platform using the Little Bear Pi, as well as Huawei Device Access Service. AG Device Access provides extensive device connectivity to the cloud, bidirectional communication between devices and the cloud, bulk device management, remote control and monitoring with auto upgrade, device linkage and rule capabilities, and can transmit device data, flexibly flow to other Huawei cloud services, assisting IoT industry users rapidly achieve device connectivity and industry application integration. Upon entering the platform, the first step is to create the product. After creating the product, you need to add service types. This is the platform address and device integration information generation, URL or web address, accessing Huawei's platform. This is Huawei's website. First, we need to register an account, and you need to complete real name authentication in the account center. After successful real name authentication, click on Free Trial. Step 1. Start by selecting Beijing in the console. Otherwise, successful control will not be possible. In the subsequent steps, click on Products. First, create a product. The product name and manufacturer that you've created. Various types can be customized according to your own settings. This is the product I have created. Click View. First, we need to add a service. Adding the service's ID and service type. It should be consistent with the documentation. After adding, click on Add Property. The newly added attribute is the service type. As mentioned in the documentation, the name and data type of service information command information. Then, add the command's name. Create new parameters. Parameter name and type. It should also be consistent with the documentation. This is the initial completion of how to use it. I have created the Huawei IoT platform. Finally, let's take a look at the flowchart of the code. Let's understand the concept behind this experiment. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.